Get out of here, and hurry!
You stay! You fight Boo!
Yes! That's right!
Huh?
Your fight is with me! The others are of no concern to you! Got it? You big bloated balloon freak!
Oh, me no like you! Boo angry! You talk mean to Boo?
Hurry, Krillin! You have to get away from here right now!
Yeah, right.
Me make you hurt bad! Boo get big man now! Me want fight!
I think I finally understand you! Let's go!
Oh?
What's Vegeta up to, Piccolo? He's crazy! He won't make it! That monster is gonna eat him alive!
For the first time, Vegeta is fighting for someone other than himself. Controlling his own fate.
You look tasty! I make you chocolate! Or maybe make you cracker and cheese!
You are a fool! I'm going to crush you and throw you into the wind! Trunks, Bulma, I do this for you. And yes, even for you, Kakarot.
And so, one of the Earth's greatest warriors has vanished in a blinding flash of light, having made the ultimate sacrifice for the sake of his loved ones. His name was Vegeta, a proud Saiyan prince.